We've been seeing strange things in the skies for centuries. These mysterious objects have been captured in paintings, photographs, and even video. Here are 3 clips of alleged alien beings. These first 2 clips were posted by UFO BRSC on Instagram. The first clip shows what appears to be a humanoid-looking alien on an examination table being studied by some doctors. The second clip shows an unknown man having a conversation with an unknown alien. Instagram user UFO Secrecy posted this clip of the so-called Skinny Bob Gray extraterrestrial. Some people have debunked this one. However, I say the best way to keep a secret is to tell as many people about it in such a way it couldn't possibly be true. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.